Hi, Serge here from Trezor Support. Today, I'll walk you through how to stake Solana, SOL, using your Trezor Safe family device or Model T in Trezor Suite. First, we'll stake some SOL together. Then, I'll explain why staking is a great way to earn crypto and how it works. Let's get started. You'll need to make sure that Solana is enabled in Trezor Suite. Go to Settings, Coins, and check that Solana is turned on. Next, you'll need a minimum of 0.01 SOL to stake. If you don't have enough, deposit some SOL into your wallet first. And finally, remember the timing. When you stake your SOL, there's a 2 to 3 day warm-up before your stake becomes active. Once it's active, you'll start accruing rewards, which are distributed at the end of a 2 to 3 day cycle called an epoch. After that, rewards continue to update automatically around every 2 to 3 days with no extra steps required. If you decide to unstake, there's also a 2 to 3 day cooldown period before your SOL becomes fully available again. So if you think you'll need your SOL soon, plan ahead. The unlocking period can't be skipped or sped up. Alright, let's go through how to stake your SOL, step by step. Connect your Trezor Model T, Safe 3 or Safe 5 and open Trezor Suite. In the left-hand menu, click on your Solana account. Click the Staking tab below your SOL balance. Click Start Staking. A pop-up will explain the warm-up period and staking terms. Read through them and confirm. Just a reminder, staking and unstaking each take about 2 to 3 days. If you think you'll need your SOL, keep this waiting time in mind. You'll see your total SOL balance. Pick how much SOL you want to stake. You can use the Quick Select buttons to choose a percentage. Click Continue, then review the transaction on your Trezor device. If everything looks good, approve the transaction on your Trezor. Because of the way Solana works, you need to sign this transaction within 45 seconds. Your SOL enters the warm-up period right away. After one 3-day epoch, your stake becomes active, and you'll start receiving rewards in each epoch. Rewards are received every 2 to 3 days and distributed to everyone who staked their SOL, like you. Just a heads up, a portion of your rewards goes to the validator for their service. We'll cover this more in detail later in the video. Trezor Suite auto-compounds your rewards, meaning they get added to your stake balance so you can earn even more over time. Now, all you have to do is sit back and watch your SOL balance grow. By staking your SOL through Trezor Suite, you can earn one of the most competitive APY rates while staking in the safest environment possible. The percentage you earn from staking Solana isn't fixed. It can change over time. This depends on factors like network activity and the total amount of SOL staked in the entire network. Since staking rewards come from new SOL issuance, they are distributed among all staked SOL. So, the more people staking, the smaller the share each validator and delegator receives. When you want to unstake your SOL, here's what to do. Go to the Staking tab in Trezor Suite. Click Unstake. Enter how much SOL you want to unstake. Confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Wait one epoch, 2 to 3 days, for the cooldown period to finish. Once the cooldown period ends, go back to the Staking tab and click Claim. Your SOL will now be available in your wallet, ready to send, sell, or use however you like. Now, let's have a chat about why you should consider staking your Solana and how it works. When you stake your Solana in Trezor Suite, you lock up some of your SOL and, in return, receive rewards over time, which are paid out in SOL. The best part? You stay in full control of your funds. You can unstake anytime. You'll just need to wait for the unlocking period to finish if you decide to unstake. So, where does the money actually come from? Solana uses a powerful combination of 2 consensus mechanisms, proof of history and proof of stake, to keep its network fast, efficient and secure. Consensus mechanisms are systems that ensure everyone on the network agrees on which transactions are valid. Proof of history organizes transactions in a verifiable timeline, allowing Solana to process them at lightning speed. Proof of stake, on the other hand, relies on validators to confirm transactions and keep the network secure. Think of validators as the trusted bookkeepers of the Solana network. Their job is to verify transactions, add them to the blockchain, and prevent fraud. Here's the catch. Running a validator requires powerful hardware, technical expertise, and a significant amount of SOL staked. So, to incentivize and compensate validators for their work, the Solana network rewards them with SOL. Staking rewards come from two main sources. Solana continuously generates new SOL, which is distributed to validators through staking rewards. If you've heard of Bitcoin mining, you can think of this as Solana's version of that process. Additionally, every time someone sends SOL or interacts with a Solana-based app, they pay a small transaction fee. A portion of these fees goes to validators as additional compensation. The good news? You don't have to run your own validator to participate. Instead, you can delegate your SOL to an existing validator and earn rewards in exchange for locking up your funds, and a fee paid to the validator from your rewards. By doing this, you help support the network, and in return, you receive a share of the rewards that validators generate. Best of all, your funds stay in your wallet. You're just choosing to support a validator with your stake. And that's it. Now you know how to stake and unstake your SOL. Keep an eye on Trezor Suite to track your rewards. And remember, if you'll need access to your SOL, unstake at least 3 days in advance to be on the safe side. This gives you a little extra time in case the process takes longer. If this guide was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Trezor tips. For more details or troubleshooting, visit trezor.io/learn. Thanks for watching and happy staking.